If you have multiple YouTube channels connected to your account, let me show you. If I click my profile in the upper right and click on switch account, you can see that I have multiple YouTube channels. And if for you, you have multiple YouTube channels and want to delete one, then I'm going to walk you through the steps how you can delete some of those channels. So you want to go ahead and click on settings on the left side, then go ahead and click on channel. From here, click on advanced setting, scroll down towards the bottom and click on manage YouTube account. Once you do that, a new window will appear, as you can see, and from here you have the options channel status and features, add or remove your channels, and an option that says view advanced settings. Click on the view advanced settings, then scroll down and you will see that you have delete YouTube channel. Before you do that, I recommend that you select the current channel that you want to delete. So you want to click your profile on the upper right and just go ahead and click on where it says switch account and select the account that you want to delete. So once you select that account, it will refresh and now take you into where you have the channel details. And you can see right here it says channel. So in order to delete this channel, as you can see, it says delete channel. You click on it, then you click remove in Google account. And you have to go ahead and enter your password. And so right now you're seeing the option to hide your channel or I want to delete permanently. I'm going to click I want to delete permanently and choose this option here. Then click on delete my channel. From here, you will need to type in the channel name. So you want to copy the channel name that you have because it's very important. Then type it in there, then click on delete my channel. And right here, you can see that it says your content is being deleted and it's currently saying updated. And so you can see that it is done. Now, from your perspective, this is all that you have to do, guys. You can consider that channel that it's now deleted. You can close the window. So if you're looking for how to delete a YouTube channel, this is how you can actually do it. I'm going to go ahead and refresh this right now. Now, I recommend that you wait for some time and you want to switch to the account to see if it's deleted. In case you see it, just wait about 5 minutes or 10 minutes. You will realize that the channel is deleted. And so you will be able to switch into the account and you'll refresh. And once you see that something went wrong, when you have your channel ID, you know that it's basically, deleted. So all you have to do is go back to youtube.com afterwards. And once you click your profile on the upper right hand side again, try to click on switch account, you'll see that it's only one available. And so that's it. That's how you go ahead and delete YouTube channels from your account on YouTube. Very easy and very simple.